They said the virus was buried forever. But evil doesn't stay dead. I tried to live a quiet life, pretend the past didn't happen. But now, it's back. The city is gone. Families, children, all gone. I've seen monsters. It's not just here to kill. It's here to consume everything. It's not alive. It's not dead. It's something else. Something that only exists to end us. You want her? Then you'll have to go through me.